Hello, myself Nancy Sailor from Srimati LP Savani Vidya Bhavan, Arajan, Surat. Today we are going to learn about our computer chapter 3rd input and output device. Input and output device. Each part of a human body has special work to do. In the same way, computer is made up of different parts. CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse are four main parts of a computer. First is monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. It shows the type text in and the work done by us. It also display the result. A monitor is also called VDU, means Visual Display Unit. Students, what is the full form of VDU? Then you have to answer like this: Visual Display Unit. CPU. A CPU cabinet is also known as CPU box. The CPU cabinet contains the central processing unit. The CPU is also called the brain of a computer. It also controls all the parts of a computer. सीपीयू को ब्रेन ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर भी बोला जाता है एंड वो सारे कंप्यूटर के पार्ट्स को कंट्रोल करता है. कीबोर्ड. कीबोर्ड हैज मैनी बटन्स कॉल्ड कीज. कीबोर्ड के पास मैनी बटन्स है, उसे क्या बोला जाता है? कीज. A keyboard is used for typing letters, words, number and special symbols. Whatever you type on keyboard can be seen on the monitor. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Now next is mouse. A mouse has 2 or 3 buttons. Mouse के पास 2 or 3 buttons होते हैं. It is a pointing device. A mouse is a pointing device. It is used to point, move, select an item on the monitor screen or monitor. A mouse also helps us to draw pictures and play games. माउस पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ करने में और गेम्स खेलने के लिए भी यूज हो सकता है. The monitor, keyboard, mouse are attached to the CPU by wires. All this part together make a computer work. ये सारे पार्ट्स मिलकर मीन्स के माउस कीबोर्ड मॉनिटर एंड सीपीयू वो पूरा एक कंप्यूटर बनाता है और वर्क करता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज there are some more parts of a computer which can be attached to it for do different function. Let us know about them. First is printer. It is used to print the text or a picture on a paper. The printed copy on a paper is called printout or hard copy. Following are commonly used printer. These three are commonly used printer. First is dot matrix printer. It is inkjet printer and laser printer. Now next is scanner. It is used to scan document, picture and store it into the computer. Now next is speaker. It allows us to listen the music and hear sound effect stored in a computer. Mostly two speakers are attached to a computer. Now next is headphone. It is used to listen the song, video, speech and other types of sound from a computer. Microphone. It is used to record voice and other different sound into the computer. We can also talk with our friends on the internet. Yes, with the use of microphone, we can talk with our friends. UPS it stands for Uninterrupt Power Supply. It keeps the computer on for some time when the electricity goes off. यूपीएस क्या करता है? जब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चली जाती है तब कंप्यूटर को थोड़ी देर तक चालू रखता है. यस. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज हाउ डज अ कंप्यूटर वर्क. मतलब कंप्यूटर कैसे चलता है. As a human being, whatever you see, hear and touch work as an input data. This data is then proceed in our brain and output is either expressed through speech or action. Similarly, computer needs data to process and generate an output. This data can be letters, number and instruction. A computer works in three basic steps: input, process and output. For example, input, process, output. So for example, first is coriander, salt and green chilies. उसे हम मिक्सचर में मिक्स करेंगे. We will process it and we will get output as a green chutney. Yes. Now next example is mango, milk and sugar. उसे हम together we will mix it in a mixture and in the output we get mango shake. Yes, now next is what is input. The data and instruction that we enter into the computer are called input. The input device are keyboard, mouse and microphone. There are example of input device: keyboard, mouse and microphone. Now next is process. The CPU works on data and does all thinking and calculation. This working is called processing. Now next is output. Output means the final result when the CPU finish processing the data. The output device are used to give output. The output may be in the form of words, letter, image or sound. The output device are monitor, printer, speaker and headphone. For example, input 8, 7 plus. Process it will be 8 plus 7 is equal to output is 15. Now next is hard disk, means storage devices. Now we are going to learn about storage devices. Yes, hard disk. A hard disk is like a box. It is fixed inside the CPU cabinet. When you save a file on a computer, it is saved on hard disk. हम जब कंप्यूटर में फाइल सेव करते हैं वो हार्ड डिस्क में सेव होती है. यस. Now next is CD and DVD. Both a CD and DVD are round and same size. But DVD store more information than CD. Yes. DVD CD से ज़्यादा information store करती है. Yes. You insert a CD inside a CD-ROM or a DVD inside a DVD drive. Yes. You insert a DVD inside a DVD-ROM drive. Yes. Now next is a pen drive is also called a flash drive. Yes, pen drive का दूसरा नाम क्या है? That is flash drive. It helps you to store and carry the data with you. It is easy to use and small enough to carry in your pocket. It stores more data than CD or DVD. Thank you.